Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me one dege little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. And if you like my blend up recipe, yeah, love up on your girl. So now my peeps, I'm gonna make some sea moss, rye plantain, peanut, chia, flaxseed, guineas punch. Something like that. Yeah. All right, my peeps, so basically you need one ripe plantain. You want it really ripe, like really ripe, maybe even overripe is best. All right, and we're gonna get into this video. You can add oats if you want, but I'm gonna substitute the oats for some chia and flaxseed. That's gonna help to give it the thickness. Now I have my grandiosa powerful blender here. All right, we're gonna add everything. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my 1/3 cup of peanut. All right, so you can blend right down there in at the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna add my plantain. You need one ripe plantain. Overripe is best. This is my flaxseed powder, ground flaxseed. All right, I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon. And this is my chia, ground chia. I will leave a link for these, guys. I got this on Amazon and it's amazing. I'm gonna put a tablespoon. I'm not gonna overdo it. You can put 2. Now this is my sea moss gel. I will also leave a link, and I'm gonna go in with 2 huge tablespoons. In total it's gonna be like 4 tablespoons. I'm gonna put like a cup of almond. This is my evaporated milk. It's gonna add a little bit of flavor to it, or a nice taste. And I'm gonna go in with about 1/3 cup. I'm gonna go in with some guineas, and I'm gonna use half bottle or half can. We're gonna go in with about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, about half teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm gonna go in with about 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. You can add more. I'm not putting too much because the plantain is sweet, but you can put about 1/3 if you want it really sweet. And the final thing, guys, we're gonna go in with some ice cubes. If you don't want to put the ice in there right away, you're gonna add some more milk or water. Hey, something I can't find. And that's it, guys. We're gonna blend away. All right, guys, we're gonna blend away. Up close and first now. You see this creaminess? I'm gonna taste it and see if I have to blend it somewhere. Oh my goodness, it's so good. So good. I'm gonna blend it a little bit more. Alright, guys, we're gonna serve up some. Alright, my peeps, so that's the goodness. We're gonna pour some in, and I just put 1 cube of ice and 2 in this one, and we're gonna pour it out. I'm just making sure I have enough to fill the glass. Yay. And that's it, guys. Yes. All right, my peeps, and this is it. Oh my goodness, it tastes so good. So guys, if you want stamina, you want energy, you want to clean and build your immune system, this is all for the man and the ladies them. All right, never go weak again. Strengthen up your body, boost your engine. Vroom, 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 vroom. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, that had to come out. Okay. So guys, please love upon me and I love upon you. This is packed with lots of antioxidants, lots of fiber, lots of iron, lots of protein, lots of mineral. This is a superfood here, guys. All right. Gonna help control all those sickness going on in your body. Immunity booster right here. All right, my peeps, and if you don't want to add the condensed milk, you can add a little bit of honey. All right, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye, guys. Boost your engine. Vroom, 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 vroom. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, that had to come out. Okay. All right, guys, I just want to show you how thick it is. Wow, I want to taste it now. Oh my goodness, so good. And guys, remember to make your plantain well ripe. All right, because if you're not well ripe, you're gonna have problem. It's gonna be staining. So make it well ripe. Overripe is even better. All right, guys. So good. Oh gosh. Bye, guys.